Unbelievable hair regrowth tips. No surgery needed. Good day, viewers! Have you noticed an accumulation of your hair on your pillow or in the shower drain recently? Have you noticed that your hairlines are receding? The average adult has about 150,000 hair strands and loses up to 100 of them every day. So don't be alarmed. However, losing your hair, especially at a young age, can affect not only your physical health but also your mental health. Welcome to the Health Hub, where information meets motivation and wellness, creating more connected health tips to help people on their path to better health. In this video, we are going to talk 10 tips on how to regrow your hair naturally. Number 1. Aloe Vera. Aloe Vera has several advantages for the skin and body, but you may not be aware that it also promotes hair development and prevents hair loss. It contains proteolytic enzymes that naturally stimulate hair growth. Due to its antifungal properties, it's very effective against dandruff and helps prevent hair loss it may cause. It's also super easy to use. Simply cut the leaf open and extract the gooey gel from the president's side. Apply this gel directly to your scalp and hair. Let it sit for an hour and then rinse. 2. Coconut milk. You've certainly heard that coconut oil is good for hair, but coconut milk is even better. It's natural and full with vitamins such as niacin and folate, which promote blood circulation in the scalp. Coconut milk also contains vitamin E and fats that protect your hair from damage while deeply conditioning it. For application, heat some coconut milk until it is slightly warm, then massage it into your scalp for 15 minutes. After your scalp is covered, work the milk through your hair from the roots to the ends and leave it on for an additional 45 minutes before washing it out with regular shampoo. 3. Onion juice. Using onion juice is a surefire way to stimulate hair growth and promote hair regrowth, though it may sound odd. Onion is rich in sulfur, which nourishes and regenerates hair follicles. According to a recent study, applying onion juice to your scalp can help your hair regrow. Onion's antibacterial and antifungal properties prevent and treat scalp infections. A healthier scalp contributes to less hair loss to make onion juice. Simply blend 2 onions and strain the juice through cheesecloth, ensuring that no onion chunks remain. After massaging the onion juice into your scalp in circular motions for an hour, rinse with a mild shampoo to remove the pungent odor. Utilize this once per week for optimal results. 4. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is a tried and true therapy for all hair and scalp issues due to its abundance of vitamin C and B, antioxidants, and folic acid, making it a potent natural remedy for hair development. Lemon juice is believed to promote blood circulation in the scalp, hence boosting hair regeneration. Just combine 1 tablespoon of lemon juice with 2 teaspoons of coconut or olive oil and apply this mixture evenly on your head. Wait 1 hour and then wash your hair with a gentle shampoo. 5. Garlic. Raw garlic is rich in vitamins B and 6, manganese, and selenium, all of which support healthy hair. Moreover, raw garlic contains antibacterial and antifungal characteristics that help kill bacteria and encourage hair growth. Garlic gel applied to bald spots on the scalp improved hair regrowth, according to a study. 6. Eggs. Eggs can do wonders for your hair regrowth because they're packed with proteins, minerals, and B-complex vitamins that help prevent hair loss and strengthen your roots. Eggs also stimulate new hair growth, adding volume and thickness to your hair. Apply the beaten egg to your hair with a brush, ensuring that your hair is completely covered in the mixture. Let the mixture on for approximately 20 minutes, then rinse your hair with cool water. Don't say we didn't tell you that boiling water will cook the egg and make it impossible to remove the odor. 7. Amla Indian gooseberry or Amla is a tree indigenous to India. It is believed to contain vital fatty acids that strengthen hair follicles, keeping them from breaking. It also includes potent antioxidants that increase blood circulation around the scalp, hence boosting hair growth. You can use Amla in the form of oil powder or juice, but the easiest approach to treat your hair is with Amla oil, which you can purchase online. Just warm the oil and use it twice per week. 8. Apple cider vinegar. In addition to its many other uses, apple cider vinegar is excellent for hair development due to its antibacterial and pH balancing characteristics, which stimulate hair growth. It also exfoliates the scalp and is easy to apply. After shampooing your hair completely, combine apple cider vinegar with water and use a cup of the CB solution as a final rinse. Do this every time you wash your hair and watch the magic emerge. 9. Head massage. Any movement on your scalp is beneficial because it stimulates it. This increases blood flow to the scalp, providing more oxygen and nutrients to the hair follicles, hence supporting healthy hair growth. There was a significant increase in the progression of the hair cycle with a daily 4-minute scalp massage for several weeks, according to studies. If you have fine, thin hair, massage it as if you were handling a delicate thread. If you've never done a hair massage or are afraid of breaking more hair, simply have 2 scalp massages or stroke your hair. 10. Reduces stress. Excessive stress drives a significant number of hair follicles into a resting phase. Within a few months, the affected hair may fall out while combing or washing. Several stress can also cause the body's immune system to attack the hair follicles, resulting in hair loss. Establish a regimen in which you decrease or remove stress-inducing elements of your daily routine. It's always a good idea to be cautious if your hair is falling out. If you plan to try one of these tips, please let us know in the comment section below. Hopefully this video has answered a couple of questions. This video, as always, is for educational purposes only and does not constitute medical advice. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, please give us a like, subscribe, and comment for more health tips.